Good morning, traders. This is Roberto, and this is another video for the Pro Traders Workshop series. In this lesson, I'm going to go over trading strategies that I've been using for the past at least 10 or 15 years. And it is a strategy that is quite powerful using different currency pairs. And in this example, we're going to be using all the yen crosses. So I have a checklist. I'm looking for a candlestick reversal pattern. I'm looking at 2 time frames, and in this we're looking at a 4-hour and a 2-hour chart. So I'll switch over to the 2-hour chart, and I notice an inside bar and stochastics is overbought on the 2-hour, and also on the 4-hour chart stochastics is also overbought. And I see the same pattern on several pairs, on USD yen, on pound Canadian, pound yen also is a sell. Canadian yen, all setting up for a reversal. Swiss yen also, we've got on a 4-hour chart, it's starting to develop an inside bar, which is a reversal pattern. So I look at 2 time frames. The 2-hour chart already has established an inside bar. And so I will look for profits around the previous resistance turns support. So when price manages to get down to this level 131.70 on Swiss yen, let me take that trade right now. Again, I'm looking for currencies that are identical. Pound yen, the Swiss yen, all the yen crosses are heading in the same direction, and that is quite powerful way to trade, to look for trading setups using crosses. And we're selling all the yen pairs: USD yen, Euro yen, pound yen, Canadian yen, and Swiss yen. Okay, so there you have it. If you have any questions, just email me. You can purchase our course online at our website, and I'll post that in the YouTube video. Thank you.